Okay, so for the first time ever, I'm going to try to use the iPad to draw a croquis. Why not? So I am following the instructions from the book still. And I know when I did this on the laptop, I just traced it. But maybe this time I'll actually try to draw with the pen, with the, what do you call it, iPen? Okay, so I might play around a little with the pencil, which I would never do on the actual computer. So let's see here. So trying to draw a circle. Okay, so right away I need to change my fill to have none, so it's see-through. And I guess we're okay with the black. Maybe I should just change it to be a different color so things are a little easier to see. Okay, cool. Okay, so I got my head. So next we're supposed to draw like our neck and shoulders. Oh, you know what? It'd be nice to zoom. Okay. Is that wide enough? I'm not sure yet. That's kind of really tilted. So I might even right now already grab my white arrow and try to bring up maybe this point, and then maybe I take that point and I just delete it. Maybe that's too high up. Oh no. Maybe I just delete the whole thing, right? Forget it. Try it again. Or should I be using the pen tool? Okay. So now we're supposed to go down to our waist. Our waist is, and I'm going to grab my layers and I'm going to add a layer. Let's see here. Okay, cool. Maybe, I probably should have put these lines on that layer. So I'm going to take you. I'm going to hold the little button down here and it let me select both. And then I can cut them. And then I can go to layer 2 and I can paste them. Cool. So, and then maybe with layer 1, I'll just lock it so it won't be a bother anymore. I'm going to add layer 3 and get that out of the way. I believe I'm on layer 3 right now because I know in box number 4, I'm supposed to draw pretty much that same circle. So maybe what I could do is just grab this circle and copy and paste it, duplicate it, and bring it down. Oh no, don't change it. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? This time I am gonna give it a fill just to make my life a little easier. So I'm gonna move it. Okay, so it's moved. Let's rotate it. And it's just, oh gosh, how do I go back? I did not want to do that. Where is, I thought my back button's up here. Uh-oh, Okay, I guess I'm just gonna trash it. Let's try this again. Duplicate, let's give it a fill. Okay, take this, somehow drag it down to number in between 3 and 4. I would like to gently rotate it without resizing it if at all possible. Okay, maybe a little more. Okay, I'm gonna kind of use it as a guide for the waist for the next part. So that is on layer, it's on layer 2. So I actually want on layer 3. Not that it really matters, but let's go ahead and cut that guy. Let's go up to layer 3 and paste it. Cool. And I guess I could lock it. Okay, and then I will get back to no fill. And I also want to make sure I'm on layer 2. Okay, and I'm going to try drawing my waist. Okay. Okay. Then we come back out to go just below little 4. Oh, where is my, I'm so confused why I don't have my back button showing. If I do that. Okay, no. Confused about that. That's weird. There's normally a hit undo button right there, so I don't know what's going on with me not having access to an undo button. Maybe I should restart this? That's really weird. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna save it and restart it and just see what happens. Um, mm, okay, so I'm going to restart Illustrator. Oh, there's my back. Oh, so this thing is just in the way. Why are you in the way? Is the name too long? Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Okay, let's go change the name. That's what's causing problems. Let's just, how about the most fabulous name of Q? Well, okay, let's not do Q. That reminds me of like politics or something. How about the number 1? Save. Okay. That was let's see if this will work. Yeah, look, I can see my back button now. Oh my gosh, that is so silly. Like I said, this Illustrator stuff is on the iPad's a bit new. That's okay. Okay, so let's make sure we're on number 2. I seem to be on layer 2. Let's go back to our pencil. And I want to actually just want to, oh, it let me continue it. So that's good. That's a really funny angle. I'm going to bring that in, see if I can clean that up a hair. Okay, yeah, so it's having me kind of do like a little bikini line. Okay. And then now we want to do some legs, the knees, I guess. Let me go on number 3. Unlock, layer 3? Okay. And I believe I'm on layer 3. The knees are apparently right below number 6. Knees. Okay. Let's get rid of that color, the fill. We don't need a fill. Just a stroke is fine. It's a weird yellow because it's selected right now. Okay, so now I want to go back to layer 2. I'm going to lock number 3. We're going to go back to number 2. And I'm going to try to draw myself some legs. Okay, so here we go. I wonder if I should zoom this guy. So in and out. Okay. That seems like a weird place for a knee. Why do I just don't know if that's, okay, whatever. It's so weird when you follow this book. I guess I'm a little rusty following the book. I'm going to hit the back button a couple times because I don't really like the way they turned out. What if I did something weird and started with the feet because the feet are kind of big? Okay, that kind of helps me, I guess. Okay, so our knees are going in, and I know they kind of go out. And I can always go in and clean this up later. Okay, oh god, this is so weird. Okay, so maybe something like, oh my gosh, how funny. That looks so weird to me. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have a new layer. Totally new layer. Oh. Take layer 5, let's move it up to the top. Or whatever. I don't know why it's not coming to the top. Maybe if I move 3 down. Come on, little 3, why aren't you moving? There we are. Okay, cool. Lock. Let's just lock everything. And let's just start fresh on layer number 5. Let's pick a fresh new color. Cool. Okay. And that's a weird foot, but who cares? Okay. So I think what I want to do, I kind of like the head from layer 2. So I'm going to unlock it. Layer 2, I'm going to get my selection tool. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to say cut. I'm going to go to layer 5 and we're going to say paste. Okay. And then I'm just going to hide 3, hide 4, hide 2, lock 2. Okay, cool. Am I on layer 5? Yeah. So now I can kind of clean this guy up a little bit. Oh, lots of anchor points. So maybe that anchor point we just get rid of. Ooh, that's weird. Maybe this anchor point get rid of. Maybe I got rid of the wrong one. Yeah, I think I did. Okay, so I want to get rid of this one. Yeah. And then, let's see here. Let me bring that in a little bit. Ooh. Then you can come in a hair. Up a bit. How about this one I just get rid of? Get that in a hair. Okay. Let's see if we can fix this foot. What kind of foot shape am I looking for? Go back. Oh, they're not connected, I see. Okay. Okay. Why don't I go ahead and draw an arm? Why don't, let's see here. Maybe to do that, I should open a new layer. Change colors. Go back to the pencil. Okay. Oh. So that's awfully curvy and skinny. Oopsies. Zooming in, zooming in. Okay. Let's see. And this is kind of arbitrary, this part, because we're not really drawing some perfect fingers. I think if I select it, let me go back, and if I have this guy selected, oh, it's locked. Is it? No, it's not locked. Okay, so let's try to select you again. There it is. Should be able to connect it. That's kind of funny, but seems to work. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I do not like her wrist at all. What is happening? There we go. There we go. Maybe this is a little funky. Maybe I just almost have too much detail, so it's like messing it up. This is really big. Little hole. Maybe that's my problem. Okay, after a while you're looking at it too much. It's like, okay, let's just move on. Okay, up here, how can we get this looking a little bit better? Okay, this is fine. Oh, her arm still seems so skinny to me. think I need to add a point. To add a point, I just held the little button in the corner, and that didn't work. Thought I added a point. Just kidding. I guess it must be a handlebar. Path simplified. Okay. Oh, cut. That's pretty easy. I don't think it worked, but. Oh. No, not what I want to do. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. So I'm going to unlock that, and I guess let's see if it'll let me select all of it, and I will say cut. Yeah, great. I'm just going to lock that guy and hide it, and let's go to layer 6 and paste it. So they're all in the same layer, and let's all make it the same color, I guess black. And then I guess I can hide this one at this point. Okay, and I will select all of this. We want to duplicate it. I have a little trouble flipping it. I can't exactly flip it perfectly. I haven't figured that out. I don't know if you can yet, even on the iPad, do a perfect flip. Okay, well there's my croquis on the iPad. She's okay. I kind of really want to go in and play with her a little bit more. And I feel a little clumsy on the iPad. I don't have enough practice yet. But it is kind of intuitive to just be drawing with a pen. I really like that about the iPad. Kind of interesting. Her shoulders are kind of broad. I could play with this and keep going on and on and on. So anyways, this is your assignment. You'll also want to draw some kind of like hairstyle, you know, depending on your who your customer is and whatnot. And, you know, if there's like a mouth, like I'm just like doing silly stuff here. I would recommend doing some research. Yeah, these are so oopsies. So anyways, give it a go. Let me see how yours turns out. It's week 1. We can always like continue improving this, but I just want to see what you have for week 1, get you guys warmed up, and I'm looking forward to seeing how your croquis turn out. Bummer, didn't record it all.